All of the cars in my collection of 1/18th models are cars that I'd love to own. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my model of the 1954 300 SL Mercedes. As you can see, this model comes in a nice box. And it's easy to slide out of the box thanks to these little cutouts here for your fingers. And straight away you can see this model has some beautiful paint on it. It's not perfect, but geez, it's not bad. The chrome is delightful. The Gullwing doors open, showing an absolutely stunning interior. Although, as you can see, the inner door skin did not remain intact. Looking at the underside, it doesn't have an enormous amount of detail apart from this exhaust pipe. It wouldn't surprise me if the car indeed was supplied with complete underbody covering. As far as I know, this car in 1954 was capable of doing over 150 miles per hour, which is an enormous achievement given the technology of the time. There is a stray decal on top of the dashboard, which I think is a manufacturing error. The carpet looks quite genuine. The gear stick is nicely located, and the detail along the dashboard is fantastic. This MiniChamps 1/18th Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is an absolutely stunning model with such lovely details, particularly on the interior and the exterior of the car. The paint finish is incredible. I've got some more models to share with you soon, so keep watching. See you later.